Hi everybody! Imagine that you want to change the color of this shape. You go to Effects, Color Correction, and change to Color. Here we will select this color and change it to, for example, blue. Red, and change it to red, change it to blue. Now if you want to change the color of all these shapes, you should copy this effect and go to each shape and paste the same effect in each layer. But what if you have many layers? Here comes the benefit of adjustment layer. Adjustment layer is a layer that you can apply any effects on it, and the effect will be applied to all the layers below. Let's apply the effect here. As you see, the effect have been applied to all layers below the adjustment layer. This is better than putting the effect in each layer. So whenever you want to apply a master effect on a bunch of layers, use the adjustment layer. It saves the time and it also saves the processing, because applying the effect one time is less than applying it multiple times. Thanks.